Okay, one more little tweak we can make to our procedure here is to actually use an enumeration instead of a string here. It'll just make it easier coding wise and more maintainable. So we'll have to look back and see what enumerations are, but we'll declare one here and we'll just call it a session state, our session states, and we'll say in session we'll say is equal to 1 and out session will be equal to 0. Okay. Okay, so there's our enumeration. So instead of declaring this as a string down here, remember an enumeration is just a list of things, but we'll declare this instead of a string, we'll call it or declare it as a session states, so that when we actually do our equal, if we were coding this later, it pops up in IntelliSense, and notice our in session and out of session are actually choices in IntelliSense. So I can set that one to in session. Again, if I hadn't typed strings already, as I'm typing this in, out session, okay, is a choice off the list, and you just press the space bar and it finishes typing for you. We would also have to come out here and also again press space, or as you're typing, it's going to want to let you pick something off the list there. So out session there, again, out session here. But it's enumerations are a way of I guess providing better self-documentation to make your coding clearer. It also helps you out as you're typing things in. You don't have to remember exactly what number in session was or what string you were supposed to use. It pops up in a list, okay? And so it just makes coding a lot easier if you can learn some of these little tricks like enumerations to help the tools like IntelliSense become more effective and help you do your coding and actually get things done a little bit quicker, and also more importantly make it more maintainable and more readable code.